everybody. Welcome to Monday. We had a slightly down day today, but really just still within a fairly narrow range that we've been in for a while now. I just completed a project looking through vast numbers of ETFs, and I have found three areas that I really like. In every one of these areas, they did better when the market fell from February to mid-March, and better when the market went up. And so going better on both sides is really the Holy Grail. It's what we're looking for. One of the very unique things about this environment is that we're hearing about all of these things, airlines and restaurants and cruise lines and everything, and all the struggles that are coming from those. But there is still an economy going. And a matter of fact, because it's sort of narrowed now, there's maybe even more money going to these other areas, web-based companies and cybersecurity and technology in general and health and etc. So I have found three investments that I really like, that I'm very excited about. And you will see some of those transactions coming through tomorrow. Not everybody will see these. We have 20 different portfolios we manage. I'd say maybe half of them have this type of change that's happening. I'm very excited about it, and I hope you are excited about it also as this goes. I do think there's some good opportunity in these markets, and I wanted to make these changes to try to take advantage of that. So I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.